find the students who enrolled and stopped, then get a personal re-engagement email drafted for each one. Here's the result. 2 stalled students on hosting at Casa Corral enrolled over a month ago, still under 25%. For each person, a warm draft that names the next lesson with a direct link. Nothing gets sent until you say so. This is the free WPVibe cookbook recipe, an intermediate marketing job once your course has been running long enough for people to fall behind. Paste the prompt with your course name and thresholds. It uses enrollment dates, not account-created dates. I drop that into my AI. It builds the stalled table first, then drafts the emails after I say go. Nothing on the site changes and nothing sends. You approve every message before a student ever sees it. Grab the full prompt free in the WPVibe cookbook, run it on your connected site, and subscribe for more WordPress AI recipes.